our approach to AI is different. By watching this video, we will show you what the initial workshops look like. We don't just automate tasks, we enable intelligent decision-making that will transform your business. We embed our AI into your ecosystem. There is no external SaaS and no data risk. We simply offer secure, compliant, and scalable solutions designed for service-centric, legal, and home-building industries. Unlike traditional RPA, our AI agents are self-learning and predictive. We tailor them to your industry, driving real impact where it matters most. Our team of experts, sa.global Labs, will run an AI discovery workshop with you, taking you through 5 clear stages. Step 1 is to understand your strategy, processes, and pain points. Step 2 is where we ideate AI use cases that solve real challenges within your organization today. In Step 3, we demo AI solutions tailored to your business. Step 4, we are calculating ROI and assessing your implementation readiness. At Step 5, we are prioritizing and building a roadmap for scalable transformation. Using our proven approach, we can ensure the results are business-led and ROI-focused. Now let's take some time to dig into the detail of the workshops. We begin by aligning expectations, ensuring that everyone is clear on goals, responsibilities, and the overall process. This includes identifying any strategic constraints that might impact our approach. This is a very collaborative process. Next, we dive into the business context. The objective is to uncover key pain points, inefficiencies, or missed opportunities where AI can add value for you. The third stage of the workshop is a structured evaluation of potential AI projects. Our goal is to understand what's feasible and highlight initiatives with the highest impact potential. Once we have assessed, we prioritize opportunities using an impact matrix. This structured method compares the business value and effort required for each AI initiative, helping us to focus on what matters most and deliver the biggest wins for you. The next stage is to define a tailored implementation roadmap, which includes a clear project timeline, required resources, and proposed sequencing of initiatives. Everything is aligned to your strategy, any constraints, and your organizational capacity. Finally, we deliver a comprehensive findings report, including actionable proof of concepts, success criteria, and a clear next step plan. The outcome? A practical, business-aligned AI strategy. Not just ideas, but initiatives you can implement with confidence. Let's take a quick look at the findings report that we provide. We provide details on where AI will truly move the needle. There are no vague ideas, just clearly mapped opportunities that align with your business strategy and goals. The tailored impact matrix scores each initiative based on value, complexity, and feasibility. This helps you to see which ideas deserve their attention and investment first. We provide an evaluation of readiness. This isn't just about the tech, it's about ensuring your organization is set up for success from day one. By providing a clear, step-by-step plan, we show the short-term wins to long-term impact timelines. We identify and define POCs that validate AI in action, so we can demonstrate value before scaling up. Our transformation workshops ensures that your AI investment is targeted, impactful, and ready for execution. Turning strategy into results. We will help you to move from AI ambition to actual business transformation. If you have any questions, comments, or requests, please reach out to the team